Today's covert operation involves mastering the art of creating custom fields and go high level and use and edit them efficiently. Let's dive in with our custom field specialist Alex today.
Let's go to settings and then let's go to custom fields tab. Custom fields are good for having more detailed information about our leads and contacts. Information that goes beyond state, city, name, email, the common data. So one way to definitely organize better the custom fields is creating folders, and that's actually what we are going to be doing right now. So let's create a folder called foods and let's select object as contact. So let's hit save. Then let's make sure the folder is created. You see the folder is created here. Alright, so duplicate. If we want to delete the folder, we hit here and we are going to be able to delete the folder. Sometimes if in the folder there is custom fields already, you will have to delete the custom fields first. So take into account that before deleting custom fields folder. Then let's hit refresh. Let's refresh the page. Alright, so let's go hit add field and then let's go to single line. You'll see there's a lot of options right here. We're going to also create a drop down next, but let's first go to single line. So let's go to next. What's your favorite fruit? Okay, object contact is good. Select group and food, and that's why we'll refresh the page. And then let's hit save, and voila, we have our new custom field and it's correctly assigned to the folder food that we just created. Alright, so how do we use these new custom fields? Let's go to sites. Let's go to forms or surveys. Let's go hit this registration form. Alright, in this registration form, let's add the custom field we just created. So you see here, this is like the normal fields, and here is where we are going to see our custom fields that we have created. Okay, so drop custom field into the form and you will see that this is now being asked in the form. If you want to require this question, this item to be answered, hit require. So that means leads and clients that go into this form, they must answer this question if they want to submit the form. Okay, let's do something very interesting now. Let's create another custom field, but this time we're going to create that custom field from the form. So we're going to hit add custom field here. We're going to select, as I said before, the drop down single. Okay, we're going to select, we're going to hit next. We are going to ask, do you like lemons? Okay, that's the question. Object content is good, and we are going to select again the group food. Then we are going to create an option. Yes, that's one, and then we're going to create another option, no, and we're going to save it. So you will see that this new custom field will be automatically added into the custom field list on the left panel in your form builder. Alright, so again, in order to transfer this custom field from here to the form, just drag and drop that custom field and put it here. Alright, so again, if you want to make this a required answer, hit require here. Okay, so let's hit save, and that's it. We have created a custom field in the form builder. You can also do it in the survey builder. And now let's do something. Let's edit this custom field right here. To do that, let's go again to settings, custom fields, and then let's go to the folder here. We're going to get into the folder and we're going to edit that custom field. So we're going to hit this, we're going to hit edit, and we're going to add another option. I haven't tried lemons. Okay, so let's hit save, and your custom field will be updated. Okay, so that will be it for custom fields. Congratulations, you have accomplished the mission. You now are trained in custom fields. So mission accomplished.